Have you ever opened your iPhone and suddenly the App Store is missing? Don't worry, it's still on your phone, and I'll show you two simple places to check so you can get it back. First, swipe through your home screens and look for the App Store icon. If you don't see it, swipe all the way to the app library. Once you're there, swipe down to search and type App Store. If it appears in the list, tap it and it will open. Sometimes it may ask for Face ID if it's locked. You might also find it at the bottom inside the hidden folder, so make sure to check there too. If the App Store doesn't show up in any of those places, the next thing to check is your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. Now scroll down again and open Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on, the App Store may be hidden because of these restrictions. Inside this section, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. If options like installing apps or deleting apps are set to Don't Allow, the App Store won't appear anywhere on your phone. Switch all of these options to Allow. You can also go back and simply turn off content and privacy restrictions entirely. After changing these settings, go back and search for the App Store again. It should now appear normally. And that's it. Your missing App Store is back on your iPhone. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes.